Hello, students. This is your teacher, Professor Nirmal Kumar Swain, MD University Rohtak. In this module, we will discuss about information product. We have covered in previous two modules. One information product was left out, so that is house journal. Then we will discuss about evaluation of information product and marketing. This is in your syllabus, master syllabus, that's MLib, house journal. If you remember the basic definition of information product is that it's a specialized sources of information and designed to provide a specific different categories of information to target users. Sometimes target users can be generalized users also, but target users. So in this series we have discussed about newsletter, then we have discussed about state of the art report, then we have discussed about our technical digest and review also. So one is was left out, that is house journal. Journal very simple. Journal is a kind of publication which is published with a specific periodicity, having new knowledge or new information about a particular subject. This is the definition of a journal. So periodicity is that often it is published quarterly, half yearly, then annually also we can say. House journal is that it has a publisher, journal has a publisher, but these days publishing has become a new global trend and a lucrative business also. Many good publishers are coming up, they have name and fame and they earn good money out of it, and publishing people are rather publishing more aggressively with these journals. Okay, but house journal is that house journal is published by a particular house. Here house refers to a particular organization, particular department, like suppose Department of Library and Information Science of MD University Rohtak. So here house journal is that suppose my department, our department publishes a journal, publishes not specifically in the in print form, okay, like a very formal way, because it involves cost and timing and editorial everything. I can tell you, if you remember in your college days, in your college even school days also, we used to have a wall magazine. Wall magazine is like a notice board hanging on the wall, and you used to publish whatever you have in your poem, poetry, every short story, with a piece of paper in handwritten, and pass it to your cultural secretary or magazine secretary, and it is published. It is pasted in that notice board in a periodic interval, maybe weekly or in a monthly. So what does that wall magazine serve? Wall magazine serve. What does it serve? Now it serve like your community, your peers, your friends, even the teachers look at and appreciate your, okay, he or she is our student, has written something. So your hidden treasure, hidden potentialities comes out. So because of that wall magazine, so you convey your information, convey your potentialities, creativity to the mini world. What is that mini world? Mini world is your friends only or college students only. So gradually then others may see and may give you offer in future also. You know how, because suppose you write for other modes of publication, maybe newspapers or somewhere else, they may not give you chance because there are a big queue, long queue of potential authors or experienced writers. So that's why they may not give you chance. So that here, so that was the concept. But still these days it happens there because wall magazine concepts are coming, I mean still there. So here house journal is that kind of wall magazine. Even through wall magazine format also we can do house magazine, house journal, or else we can publish in our department of library information science. So we, I mean here who are the contributors? The contributors are our own students only, because we take care of our own student, because they have potentialities but they are not able to publish their things somewhere else in newspaper, in any. Okay, so this is what house journal. House journal has a wider connotation, so it has a different meaning also. This house can be in a very miniature form, a department or a faculty also, like our department comes under school of or faculty of social sciences. In among faculty of social science we can do. Even university, even a college also, smaller college also. Colleges, student arts, science magazine, arts magazine, you know, a bigger college. College magazine can be become house journal also. House means here it is an organization publishes, so whether it is smaller organization, whether it is a bigger organization. There are women's organization in a particular city, they bring out. I would say I'd like to cite you know, Eastern India, especially among the Bengalis in Kolkata, Odisha and Assam. You see, during this puja, the colonies, they used to have their separate puja, puja dais, puja mandap, and they bring out you know, Durga Puja special. So that can be considered another example of a house journal. Or who published that? Those I mean the members of those colony who house dwellers, I mean among the women, among the children, among the so I have seen with little bit advertisements. So this is a house journal. House journal could be published by a smaller organization, a bigger organization. So through these, the hidden potentialities, those are novice, those first timer whose publications are not there, they are able to publish in that journal. Okay, and it is kind of information product. Information, what kind of information? It is information of creativity. Suppose we publish stories, smaller stories, your memo, your experiences, your you know, say poetry. So this is creativity. So through house journals we give platform to those who don't get chance to publish somewhere else. This is house journal. Okay, friends. And along with this, you can add with my previous modules for these information products. In 3 videos, your course is completed. Okay, bye bye.